why I chose this course, which professors made me choose this course, how about funding. So when I got my 20 from University of Wisconsin Milwaukee, the amount was $45,000 around. So I started applying for loans and all, and I got a loan from Prodigy Finance. And later I start book a slot for my visa, and I got a slot really early actually. I got my slot on 12th May in Hyderabad consulate. I chose Hyderabad as it is just 200 kilometers from my city, and if I travel a lot, I would become sick. That's why I chose a city which is really near to me. I got to Hyderabad one day earlier, and by the way, I have been preparing these days. Like I got around 15 days of preparation. In those 15 days, I have written, I have gone through YouTube, so how the questions are asked and what are type of questions are asked, and I have gone through some websites and Telegram groups. And later I have prepared myself like the answers for the questions, and I have done my research on the university myself, and I have done the research on the professors, and I have done research on the course curriculum, like why I chose this course, and what made me, which professors made me choose this course. Everything I got prepared, and I have written in a book, and I have practiced like I have spoke to the mirror and spoke to my friends. Later I got one day earlier to Hyderabad. Like my visa interview was on 12th May, and I got there on 11th May. And I prepared a little by looking at the mirror, and I took a rest. My visa slot was on early morning 9:15 actually, but I got there 2 hours earlier, and they allowed me at 8:30, and I got in. My secretary check was really easy. It didn't took 2-3 hours like it takes for everybody else. It was around 10 to 15 minutes, and I got to counter number 37. And he was very chill guy actually. He didn't even ask me many questions. He asked me just like 3 questions. He said which university you are going to, and he said I said University of Wisconsin. Why did you choose this university? He asked me. I said this is top 131 research universities with R1 research certification and their course curriculum. I said course curriculum, and he interrupted me. And I said, he said, what type of course curriculum, what subjects did you choose in your first year? I said I chose Introduction to Data Science, Survey of Information Security, Computing Fundamentals for IT Professionals, Software Development Lifecycle. And he said, yeah, that's okay. And he said, how about funding? At that time, I got Prodigy Finance loan sanction letter, and also my father was funding me. I took the bank statements. He didn't ask me any documents, and I said I got a loan from Prodigy, and my father is sponsoring me. He said, yeah, alright gentleman, your visa is approved. He said those golden words. That's how my interview happened. Actually, my interview was really easy actually when compared to others. It was really simple as the officer was really chill.